Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView app. First, download the app from your app store and create an account. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface. Start by adding assets to your watch list to keep an eye on their performance. This helps you quickly access the charts and data for the stocks, crypto, or other instruments you're interested in. It's a great way to organize your trading ideas right from the start. Now, let's dive into charting. Tap any asset in your watch list to open its detailed chart. Customize the time frame from 1 minute to 1 month to suit your analysis. Explore the indicator menu to add popular tools like moving averages or the relative strength index. Use drawing tools to identify trends, support, and resistance levels, crucial for informed trading decisions. TradingView also offers powerful alert features. You can set price alerts to get notified instantly when an asset hits a certain level, ensuring you never miss a potential opportunity. Beyond that, the app boasts a vibrant community. You can explore public trading ideas, learn from experienced traders, and even share your own analysis. It's an excellent resource for expanding your knowledge and connecting with like-minded individuals. Finally, let's touch on some advanced features. You can backtest your trading strategies using historical data to see how they would have performed, which is invaluable for refining your approach. Also, ensure your settings are synchronized across all your devices for a consistent experience. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.